Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious and yummy pizza bread. This video was inspired by Noni A. I hope you check out her channel and see how she made this. So without wasting your time, let's get started. We have here our pizza sauce, homemade pizza sauce. I have here some roasted sausage. We have here cheese, some mozzarella cheese. I have here mixed carrots and bell peppers. And then we have here the bread we're going to be using for the pizza. So go ahead and start. You can put butter at the back of the bread if you want. So I'll start by applying the pizza sauce on the bread generously. Then I'll go ahead with the and then I'll place some sausage on them. And finally, the cheese. It's already looking beautiful. We'll now take it to the oven. The oven is already preheating at 280 degrees Celsius, and I'll bake this for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese melts. Here we have it. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Yum, yum. Why make yours? Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also share the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. And to my new subscribers, you are highly, highly, highly welcomed. May God bless you all. See you in our next video. Bye bye.